welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing two November glossy boxes. I received these late in December and I have two for November. I believe we were supposed to, so for October we were supposed to receive a special special box instead of the normal pink box, and a lot of people didn't get that, including me, and I think that a lot of people might have complained. So I think they sent out a special box. I don't know which one is which, but we're gonna open this one first because it has become unglued anyway, just like me. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Okay, so this one is already opened, and it is the standard pink box. So Glossybox is a monthly subscription, and I believe it costs $21 a month, and I have actually canceled my subscription, so I believe December will be my last box, I think. So let's see what's inside. There's a bunch of pamphlets. So this is supposed to be worth, actually I'm not sure how much it's supposed to be worth. But you do get a mix of deluxe travel and sample sizes, as well as a couple full-size items. So it comes very nicely packaged. It is definitely the nicest packaged box I've ever received. And then it'll tell us the prices. Oh, I'm a little scatterbrained today. So I think the theme is Beauty Desires. And again, it's got really nice ribbon and very nice tissue paper. And then that is what the inside looks like. So let's dig in. All right, so first up, let's get this big box. So this is from Vitabrid C12. It is a Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm. Melt Away Sorbet. It has got a sticker on it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. It's a nice size. So it is 3.17 ounces or 90 grams. I wonder if it smells like oranges. Oh, that's nice. So it's got a little, comes with a little scoop. And that is what it looks like. I think it smells kind of like lavender. But that is a nice product. I do like a cleansing balm. Okay, next we got something that's stuck to this. It's in bubble wrap. Looks like eyeshadow quad. And it is. It's from Cella. And it is Hello Beautiful. So we have got the shades Charisma, Purpose, Radiant, and Intention. Manifest Bronze Eyeshadow Palette Travel Size. These colors are actually really pretty. But I do have a lot of shades that are similar, so I don't want to touch this. I will pass this along. Alright, next up, we've got something with cherries on it. So it says Oui Chérie. And it is from the Beauty Crop. Cute packaging. And this is a pH changing hydrating lip oil. Oh, I love a good hydrating lip oil. My lips like took a turn for the worse the past couple of weeks. Just dry as anything. Oh, look how cute that packaging is with the cherries. Okay, I'm definitely going to keep this. Looks like a full-size item as well. Smells like cherries too. Just feel the consistency. So I don't know if you can see. It's got a little bit of a purple tint to it. Very cute. I'm going to taste it. Maybe it tastes a little bit like cherries, but like cherry hulls. So that is that. Next up, we got this pink squeezy tube. Oh, it's from Figs and Rouge. I do like this brand. This is the Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix Ultra Prime. Well, that's nice. So it is a satin soft blurring primer, fixes foundation and finishes complexion for complete matte perfection. Micro blurring silicone free formula blurs imperfections and banishes shine. Well, that's good. I'm always very shiny. So that is what the consistency looks like. You know what? I'm just going to put a little bit into the place on my face that I'm always shiny, which is right here. I mean, I'm wearing powder already, so I will try this out for sure. Okay, it looks like we are on our final thing. Yes. So this is from Commodity Paper. I don't think I'm familiar with this brand. It is, what is it? Scent. Oh, it's a scent. Scent Space Personal for me and the few I allow close. It's very true. I don't allow a lot of people close. I'd be weird if I did. So this is what it looks like. I think it's a perfume. Oh, it's very, well, let's try it out. I don't know what that has notes of. I'll have to read the pamphlet. It's not unpleasant. All right, so that was the last thing we got in our box. Let's find out the pricing and how many full-size items we got. Okay, so here we have all the pricing. So first up is the Cella Travel Size. So this is Travel Size Manifest Bronze Eyeshadow Palette, $20. Seems like a lot for a travel size eyeshadow palette. Next up we have full size from Figs and Rouge. The primer and finishing fix, $52. So that's more than twice what we paid for our box. So we got our value. The Vitabrid C. Holy moly, this is another full size at $48. Well, this is definitely one of the more higher valued boxes I've ever received. And then from Commodity, this is a Deluxe Mini, a lightweight and effortless. Paper opens with ISO-E Super, a unique and woody molecular note. Well, that's why I couldn't figure it out, because it's unique. Then, as the minutes pass and the scent comes to life, you'll begin to notice ethereal skin musk, followed by a softly sweet trail of amber. So this is worth $10. For full size is $105. That is a very distinct fragrance. My husband does love more musky smells on me, so he'll probably really enjoy me wearing this. Very interesting. And then finally, this is another, so we got 3 full-size items. This is from the Beauty Crop, the Wee Sherry Lip Oil, $12. So we definitely got our value. Let's see how much our box is worth. So our box is valued at $142, and I think that might be one of, or if not the highest valued glossy box I've ever received. Of course, because of cancels. So picking my favorites, it's going to be hard. I don't even know. I'm going to go with the Figs and Rouge just because I love this brand. And then I'm going to go with the Vitamin C Cleanser. Then the Wee Sherry Lip Oil, because I'll definitely need that this time of year. And then this, just because, did I even spray it on myself? Because it intrigues me, the scent. And then this 4-quad eyeshadow palette. Somebody's just driving by. Very good box. Very good value. Oh, my husband's home. So I am going to, let's open the second one real quick. Okay, box number 2. This one is sealed now. Oh. Okay, so that was the special box we were supposed to get in October. So the Magical Masquerade, The Truth. And that's just a really pretty box. And yeah, a lot of people were disappointed not to get this. And I get it. I mean, they said we were getting it and we didn't get it. So yes, please send me an additional box for free. So opening it up. Oh, look at that. Jay, look at that.
Wow, it's a mask.
I know, it's fun.
Wait, what's the theme? Masquerade? It is.
The Magical Masquerade. So this is the box I was supposed to get in October.
Okay.
But they sent the pink box because they ran out. So they sent everybody who didn't get one a whole new box.
Oh, wow.
I know.
That's fun.
I know.
Is there something to tie the mask onto your...
Maybe you just use this?
Yeah.
you want me to like film the whole video with that on?
Yes.
Oh. All right, so let's see what we got for our. Looks like we got some face masks and things. Let's see. Okay, what did we get? I've recognized this brand. It's for my hair, I'm pretty sure. So this is the Argan Oil for Morocco by Hask. And it is a repairing deep conditioner. So the Moroccan oil or the argan oil is definitely really good for your hair. So this is probably a couple, maybe 3 uses for me. Very nice. And then I just got this in an advent calendar, either Glossybox. I think I got this in the Glossybox, like yesterday or the day before. This is the Bubble Tea Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer. I am not a fan of baths. I like showers, so I will definitely pass this on to someone who I know enjoys a nice relaxing bath. Okay, next up we have the Four Sigmatic Mushroom Cacao Mix. We got this, I think, in a summertime or maybe September box, and it is in the flavor Chill. I haven't tried this yet. My niece was with me when I unboxed this. And we never did actually end up trying it out. So we'll have to try that out. And then we got this. What's this little tiny thing? We got this. This is a really tiny writing. Where's my glasses? This is, I can't even see it with my glasses on. Piperway, a natural deodorant made with activated charcoal, formulated for sensitive skin. Okay, so this is a little tiny wee deodorant. I'm not gonna try that on camera, don't worry. See, I like getting products like that you don't usually get. Oh, I had it upside down. Huh, silly me. So that is what that looks like. What is the texture like? It's like a really, it's like a putty-like texture. It's like hard to get out of there. It is hard. It smells unique. I like that word. That's the word of the day. Unique. Okay, 2 things left. So this is a CBD Fix Cucumber Face Mask, hydrating and tightening. I love a good face mask. So I'll definitely use that. And then the last thing we got is Luna by Luna, and it is a translucent powder. So I think the only thing I've ever tried from Luna by Luna is a lip gloss, or a lip stick. I still have it, so that is what the packaging looks like, and it is just white translucent powder, and it comes with a little puff. So that is something that, will never go to waste around here. Perfect. In this box, there's no price guide. I think they probably just threw together some nice things for us disappointed people. I really appreciate the fact that they did do that. I mean, I like to keep these, the nice ones, but I'm also a pack rat. But that was nice of them to print more boxes and ship them out. They probably got a lot of backlash for that. I was not one. I did not backlash. I mean, I did cancel my subscription, but it wasn't because of that. So that was our bonus masquerade box, which was really nice. I mean, there's definitely got to be about $40–50 worth of stuff in there. So I really appreciate that. Thanks, Glossybox. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Hopefully December's box gets here soon. We're now nearing the back half of the month. What's up next will be BoxyCharm, December. It's in my mailbox right now. I just don't want to go out in the cold and get it. It's my premium box, so that is usually my favorite box to open. So that will be coming in the next couple of days as well. And I hope you all have a great day, and thanks again for watching. Bye!